Yo, what's up, D-Gens? All right, let's talk some JASMY before we call it a night tonight. Hope everybody's having a great evening. Market seems to be kind of recovering a little bit, guys. We had a deep talk earlier today or this evening over on the Patreon. We were talking about um, how the market seems like you know, it's not going to hang out where it is much longer. I would venture to make an educated guess that early next week, uh, I think that we're going to start to move our next leg up here. We're consolidating over this week. All of the altcoins, not just Bitcoin, kind of putting in higher lows and higher highs right now, building some support levels. And I think that next week we're going to make our next leg up on a lot of these altcoins, Jasmy being one of them. And yeah, so we were having a pretty deep dive conversation about it over on the Patreon earlier today. Guys, get over there if you want to join the conversation. By the way, you're definitely missing out. So if we have a look at Jasmy here, down 3 spots and ranked at 65. It's down 1.2% on the evening. It's up 90% on the week, 140% on the month, and 767% on the year, guys. 5 cents, 119 right now. $2.48 billion market cap, 929.71 million in trading volume. Not too bad. Like I said, market's kind of recovering a bit across the board here, guys. Stuff like HBAR, Casper, Quant, Aerodrome, LCX. Let's go have a look at the Jasmy chart, see what's going on. So as you can see, we have a kind of a spinning top candle right now, which is neutral. We're ping-ponging inside of this. Call it a bull flag, call it a symmetrical triangle. We'll see how it plays out. Either way, guys, our break on this is probably going to come next week, in my opinion. A couple more days inside of here before we go. Similar, I mean, we put in a higher low here. We're putting one in right here. We're going to keep going to the upside. My break out of this, depending on how long we consolidate, if we consolidate inside of here for a week and a half or 2 weeks, my target's going to be somewhere between 9 to 10 cents, but we'll see what happens on that. We got to play it day by day, see if we can hold the 5 cent. 5 cents has become a very strong level of support. We've closed two of our daily candles over 5 cents since we broke above 5 cents. We have not closed a candle below there. So hopefully we can continue that structure. I'm looking for Sunday to close our weekly candle over 5 cents. That would be the next bullish move for me personally. If we go over to the Bitcoin chart right now, Bitcoin back below 100K again. We closed our candle below there again. Bulls got to start getting these candles closed above 100K, guys, if we want to see continuation to the upside on Bitcoin. But for me, guys, altcoins will continue to make their way to the upside. They'll continue melting up, provided Bitcoin stays above $90,000. For me, that's our point where if Bitcoin falls below there, then I think you're going to start to see altcoins bleed pretty bad. But as long as Bitcoin ranges around here above 90K, then I'm confident that the altcoins will continue to work their way to the upside as they have been doing. If we venture over to the Bitcoin dominance and have a look, that's the DXY. Let's go over to Bitcoin dominance. Continuing to drop to the downside. Very good for altcoins, guys. We're at 55.27. If we really want to see altcoins start to move, we need this to collapse below 50%, maybe down to 40%. That's when things are really going to get crazy for altcoins, in my opinion. So yeah, now I'm going to read this article and then I'm going to tell you where I think that Jasmy's going to go in this cycle, because I get asked like 5 or 6 times per live stream. So Jasmy coin up over 40% as analysts predict a 9,000% surge. So Jasmy's price surged over 40% daily, driven by colossal trading volume, even over one day. Market analysts have taken heart from the remarkable price action, forecasting much more significant gains for the crypto. with some predicting it could run as high as 9,000%. There's a clear breakout from all this resistance in a technical analysis of JASMY's recent market performance. Looking at charts, you can see a distinct consolidation and then a massive upside movement with considerable volume. And I will show you the chart to show you what they're talking about in a moment on that. The market sentiment is usually bullish and could spawn more price increases, which is why the pattern often indicates that. Market analyst Javin Marks has seen these trends and given JASMY coin an ambitious price target of $4.47. The target represents a potential rise of over 9,000% in the current price. The forecasts are based on the coin's ongoing performance and general market trends, which supports a high growth potential in emerging cryptocurrencies. As you can see from Javin's post here, guys, he says JASMY's price on major volume has now set post-breakout highs, climbing approximately 1,530% since breaking out, and can still be far from done. With the breakout target of $4.47, there can still be a move more than 9,000%. Additionally, the community has been changing with recent developments surrounding the token. As part of this recent expansion into the Japanese DePIN market, the company partnered with IOTEX. The surge in the token's price could also attribute to this new development in the token, making people optimistic. As per Hara's tweet, he says, we, JASMY, are pleased to announce a collaboration with IOTEX.io to expand the DePIN market in Japan. We have been exploring collaboration with IOTEX by having them speak at events we have hosted in Hong Kong and by having meetings with management in Singapore. On the JASMY charts, JASMY USDT was consolidating in an orange rectangle before the uptrend. The breakout from this phase is compression, then formed a beginning of an uptrend. After the consolidation range expired, it initially served as resistance zone, but became a potential support zone following the breakout. The top of this range is around 4 cents 8. Our first glance at technical indicators show that the awesome oscillator, AO, is below the chart and exhibiting increased momentum during the uptrend. The bars turn red and green and peak as the price hits the top of the channel's top. The red recent bars are decreasing in height, which suggests the continuation of bullish momentum might be slowing down too. The recent price action, a red candle exited the lower boundary of the ascending channel, suggesting a reversal or correction. The volume has varied. You can see spikes during significant price moves. The move breaks out of the consolidation zone to trade in a high volume supporting its strength. The price could stabilize if the price finds support at the upper boundary of the previous consolidation zone around 4 cents 8. Then try to go back into the picture of the ascending channel since below the price may reach the old high of near 5 cents 6. Right now we're sitting at 5 cents 162. If JASMY cannot hold 4 cents 8 level, further decline would be expected. But so far we have not dropped below 5 cents so far. So very, very bullish there, guys. Resistance at 5 cents 6 right now. Hopefully we can break through there. If we go over to the JASMY chart once again, I will show you what they were talking about in terms of long-term consolidation. So as you can see right here, we had this descending channel where we consolidated for 3 months. We broke up 500% to the upside. And this here, we broke out. This was about 5.5 months. And so far, we have broken out of that. From the bottom here, we've broken out of that about, right now we're up 201%. So far so good on that breakout, guys. But if this brought us 500%, this should bring us very, very much more. But so far, guys, consolidation here is what we're looking at. Look at that beautiful curve, just straight up and to the right, baby. Anyway, let me know what you guys think. And as always, click like if you like this video, click subscribe if you really liked it. Schedule your one-on-one coaching sessions with me personally over on the Patreon, guys. Spots fill up very fast over there. If you've never been through an altcoin season before, guys, surround yourself with a community of people who have been through multiple altcoin seasons and can help you. There's no shame in having a community of educated people and experienced people in the market hold your hand through an altcoin season if it means that you can make life-changing wealth and gain valuable experience going into the next bull run, right? Join our community. We have live group Zoom calls multiple times a day where you can join, you can chat with us. We have a lot of deep dive conversations, price prediction conversations, deep dive conversations on where we think the top of this market's going to be, when we think the pullbacks are going to be, the macroeconomic factors and how they will affect everything. So definitely get over there, guys. We do passive income opportunities as well, node operations, a lot of DeFi staking, stuff like that. So there's a lot of opportunity over there, guys. So get over to the Patreon. The link's down below. Join our community. Schedule your one-on-one coaching sessions with me. And guys, finally, where do I think JASMY's going to go in the end of this bull run? Now, this is the question everyone keeps asking me. Will JASMY hit $1? Now, I don't have a crystal ball any more than any other technical analyst does, right? But what I can tell you is this. Does JASMY have the potential to break $1 in this bull run? Yes. Where do I personally believe JASMY will go? If JASMY is between 40 to 60 cents, which I know is a broad range, but 40 to 60 cents, I would consider, not financial advice, guys, you do you, boo-boo. I'm not your financial advisor, but for me personally, between 40 to 60 cents, I would be considering taking profits off of the table. We saw what happened with Dogecoin in the last bull run. I'm not comparing them as projects. I'm just saying price action-wise, everyone thought Dogecoin was going to $1. That was the hype. Everyone swore it was. Dogecoin got to about 72 cents and then crapped out, right? So do not be a sheep. Don't follow the herd, guys. Make sure you are front running the market. You know, that's what we do. If you need an exit strategy, guys, get over to the Patreon. Again, we help you design an exit strategy. We help you figure out where you should be putting your sell orders in, where you should be taking your profits, how to identify where liquidity is in the market so that your sell orders actually fill. So get over to the Patreon. The link is down below. Click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. And I will see you guys tomorrow.